Once upon a time, in a vibrant and bustling city called Harmonyville, there existed a group of individuals who were seemingly different from one another in every way possible. They hailed from various corners of the world, each with their unique talents, skills, and backgrounds. Despite their differences, they all shared one common trait, an unwavering belief in the power of unity and teamwork. It all began when an enormous challenge loomed over the city. The mayor of Harmonyville, Mayor Goodhart, announced that a massive storm was approaching, threatening to flood the entire town. The citizens grew worried, fearing the destruction that awaited them. However, amidst the fear, a glimmer of hope emerged. A young woman named Lily, with her kind heart and quick thinking, decided to form a team of individuals from diverse backgrounds to face the impending disaster. She scoured the city, seeking individuals who possessed unique skills that could aid in their mission. First, she stumbled upon Alex, a brilliant engineer with a knack for constructing intricate machinery. Then, she discovered Sophia, a wise and resourceful herbalist who possessed a deep knowledge of plants and their medicinal properties. Next, she encountered Max, a swift and agile athlete known for his exceptional problem-solving abilities. Lastly, Lily crossed paths with Emma, an empathetic artist whose creativity knew no bounds. With her team assembled, Lily shared her vision of overcoming the storm through unity and collaboration. Each member embraced the idea, recognizing that their individual skills could only take them so far. Together, they were capable of achieving the extraordinary. They toiled day and night, preparing the city for the incoming flood. Alex used his engineering expertise to design a complex system of pumps and levees, working tirelessly to ensure their effectiveness. Sophia brewed potions and concoctions that would strengthen the levees and protect the town from the force of the water. Max devised strategies and led the team in securing the necessary supplies. Emma painted murals throughout the city, instilling hope and courage in the hearts of the citizens. As the storm approached, the team's efforts were put to the ultimate test. The rain poured relentlessly, and the water levels rose steadily. The people of Harmonyville watched in awe as the team raced against time, their determination shining through. With each passing hour, the power of teamwork became more apparent. The citizens, inspired by the team's unwavering commitment, joined forces, lending their assistance wherever needed. It was a true demonstration of unity, as people from all walks of life came together to protect their beloved city. Finally, after days of tireless work, the storm began to subside. The water receded, and Harmonyville remained unscathed. The team stood together, their hearts filled with a sense of pride and accomplishment. The power of their unity had prevailed, and the city was safe. News of their extraordinary feat spread throughout the land, inspiring other communities to embrace the strength of teamwork. Lily, Alex, Sophia, Max, and Emma became symbols of unity, reminding everyone that when diverse individuals unite towards a common goal, nothing is impossible. And so, the tale of Harmonyville's remarkable triumph passed down through generations, teaching the world the importance of collaboration and showcasing the extraordinary power of teamwork.